can't better she up on me. Abu remember she ran me like a bomb, my battalion and she do me as she please. Hisabati na umanje kamkati, ni mara ngapi kapigana fraya wanafik. Nimechoka na sioni maana, You can't better she a bumblebee. Her booty mega she a stallion. She ride me like it's all my battalion. And she do me as she please. She do me as she please. Call her door when she squeeze. Diabs akirusha juu, I'm like ooh. It started off cool. Little thing, drop it, show me your back view. Laana nimedungwa kwa mkuki na Cupid. Mwangaza she a lighthouse wife. Na Fatiti, she roll me like a Egypt. Lamborghini si afford labda mini.
I got no time baby, tumekuwa tukizozana tu sana lately. Missy baby, haters wanna tucheki, tugombane twatiane washabiki daily. I got no time baby, tumekuwa tukizozana tu sana lately. Missy baby, haters wanna tucheki, tugombane twatiane washabiki daily.
Me without you, nika kusneeze bila chew. Bado kwa kanui start together, ash na Pikachu. Foot in my shoe, I like it when you call me boo. Me without you, it's like a train bila chew. Painting kwa skew on my cheese neka fundu. Nimechizi juroho yangu nayo unaofungu. We, hutu mini tutsi kila time you coming through. Ego ya kukwaga juu. Remember you said, and I said we were the problem. You said and I said we were caught in the moment. You said they said I'm a player, you're the game. You cry when I said siku trust, now me change. Siku easy when they say man I'm tired of this hate. Sina time ya kuchase, I'm just looking to escape. So leave me alone, don't be switching up your tone if you thinking we not done.
I got no time baby, tumekuwa tukizozana tu sana lately. Missy baby, haters wanna tucheki, tugombane twatiane washabiki daily. I got no time baby, tumekuwa tukizozana tu sana lately. Missy baby, haters wanna tucheki, tugombane twatiane washabiki daily.
Sifa tabia na background mimi sikubagua. Urembo tu ndio ilifanya wewe nikakuchagua. Hata kunyesha ulitaka ni nyuze yako maua. Kumbe wendo sumu in my veins ulitaka kuniua. Piga x-ray, habit ni excess, kingdom kwa brain. I'm high ni J-Express, you lock me in chains, ndo ni possess. Bila kipimo nikakupenda ukani oppress. Baby why you do me like this? Unataka nini? Baby why you do me like this? With you see I see. Baby why you do me like this? Unataka nini? Baby why you do me like this? With you see I see.
I got no time baby, tumekuwa tukizozana tu sana lately. Missy baby, haters wanna tucheki, tugombane twatiane washabiki daily. I got no time baby, tumekuwa tukizozana tu sana lately. Missy baby, haters wanna tucheki, tugombane twatiane washabiki daily.
What's up? Mamake, sema kitu. So you guys, I'm sure you're wondering, hapa ni wapi hao jamaa wako? Kuna ka green, kuna ka msitu. Yeah, so this is Karura Forest. Tumeamua mamake because she never exercises. Lazima tumlete huku hivi afanye a bit of exercise. For those watching us from far away, wacha kunishika mkono mwanza, unaogopa kuna kitu. Those of you watching us from outside the country, and I'm not familiar with Kenya, we have a very fantastic forest here. It's in the Kiambu County. Is it Kiambu? Babe, ni Kiambu. So she has said that we assume this is Kiambu County. Anyway, it's in Nairobi, the outskirts of Nairobi, after Muthaiga, where all the embassies are. So you can do a lot of things here. You can do a walk like us. We have decided to do a 5 minutes walk. There are picnics you can do here, events as well. You can do here. You can cycle, do a hike here. You can do so many things. This place is so beautiful. Charges are 1 car 100 shilling and each person 100 bob for the walk. If you decide to cycle, you can bring your own bike However, if you don't have your own bike, they can provide you with a bike, and then you pay 500 shillings. That's about approximate $50. $5. $5, approximately $5 for 1 hour. I prefer it bringing my own bike to cycle. There are so many things to see, so I'm taking Joy to see caves and waterfall and whatnot. I hope we won't get lost. Right, so you guys, before anything else, I know I have a story, a forest story, but today I don't have a story. Today I have a poem. So today's poem is Samsung. See, I love nature and I love people who support nature, so yep. Oh, a friend. Look, a friend. You're beautiful, mama. You're beautiful. Show how beautiful you are from behind. Show us, baby. Show us. Baby, show us. When you're doing a hike, you come across these things. The yellow one means 5 kilometers, I think. The blue one is 10, and then the green one is 20, if I'm not wrong. So we are going towards the caves. We have done 500 meters, 1 more kilometer to go. It shows the caves this way. All right, we go opposite direction. So and if you just get lost, I know there are people who don't have a sense of direction. If you ever get lost, Like I did once. I once got lost, and it got to 6:30 p.m. They normally close, I think, 7 p.m. I didn't know what to do. Tried using my phone, but I couldn't use my phone because signal lost. So the best thing you can do is just wait and hope someone will get you. But if you ever get lost, keep walking until you see a sign, and then try to follow the yellow one. It's the shortest, gonna give you the 5 kilometer back to where you started. So that's the shortest, the yellow one. Remember that yellow is good. Yellow is your friend, not the green one. Yellow. Babe, huku inakawaga poa ukitembea ukiangalia juu juu. Saa zingine chui huwa zinakaga huko juu.
Chui? Ai.
Zinakaga huko juu.
Serious?
So lazima ukiangalia. Sikiku nini unatoka mbio.
Nani ako na mbio? Nani anakimbia?
Unaweza give up tu siku kule. Lakini nakuenjoy kuna chui. Nafikiri ungekuwa kikubali watu. So naangalia nini juu? Nimekuwa kuoga. Hakuna chui huko. Huwezi kubali nini? Unaona? Restricted. Unaona imeandikwa nini? Turudi kwa nini? Natukosa hii. All these fun things.
Hiyo ni maji.
Tukota kujaga. Afu pale kuna kwa sharp turn. We continue. So you keep following to the waterfall. You keep following these green things. Sijai fika huko kote. You can hear the water by the way. So from here you just follow the sound. You can hear the water. So you just follow the sound. You can take shortcuts. Just make sure you are careful. Don't fall. There is the river. Chunge, pitia kwa mawe usianguke baby. Pitia huko kwa steps. So there you go, you can hear the waterfall. You can hear the sounds. Tired? Yeah, finally by the waterfall. Eh? So as you can see, very beautiful waterfalls. Mbona tayo kidogo? Ambia watu tunatafuta hiking buddies. Hello guys, we're looking for hiking buddies. Next trip will be Mount Kenya for the hiking, camping, 2 nights, 3 days. Here we are, the famous caves. Ah. Huh? Zinakuwaga na bat by the. So these caves are infested with bats. This is where apparently they say the Mau Mau stayed when they were fighting against colonization back in the days. See, those used to be their beds. That's where they will stay and sleep. You can see. Kuna more by there. The caves. You can see the archaeological facts about the place when they were excavating. We just take a rest here, maybe have a snack. Yeah, I had carried some mangoes and some sweet things, donut for Joy. Babe, kuja ukula.